Respected Principal Ma'am, Head of Junior Wing, Enrichment Head Coordinator, teachers and my dear friends, I am Oli. I'm Roosevelt. Today we have gathered here to celebrate an important festival that brings us closer to nature and highlights the significance of trees in our lives. You are right, Roosevelt. We welcome you all to our assembly dedicated to One Mahotsav, the festival of trees. We begin today's assembly with a prayer to seek Almighty's blessings. Kindly rise for the morning prayer. I request everyone to join their hands. To share the thought of the day.
Thought of the day. Be like a tree. Stay grounded. Connect with your roots. Turn over a new leaf. Enjoy your unique natural beauty and keep growing. Thank you.
That reading newspaper enhances our knowledge and awareness about the world around us. Oh, now I understand why my parents have subscribed the newspaper for me. I now invite Devasis, Ritanya and Naman on stage to present today's news headlines.
Good morning everyone. Today's news are ready to conclude FTS. Dharma tells PM Modi, both leaders agree to promote people-to-people paths. 2 Jawans, 4 ultras killed at Good morning everyone. Today's sports news are past sensation. Richard Field series is the boost from Zimbabwe cricket, expecting India to win both Champions Trophy and World Test Championship final under Rohit Sharma captaincy. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone. Today's weather news rain about relief from hot weather condition with the temperature dipping to 29 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature is recorded to 24 degrees Celsius. Thank you and have a nice day. Beginning that today's assembly is about Festival of Trees, that is Van Mahotsav. But Roosevelt, why do we celebrate Van Mahotsav? Don't worry, our friends are here to tell us more about Van Mahotsav. Let's invite our friends to share interesting information about this festival and enlighten all of you.
Play a crucial role in maintaining and trees play a crucial role in maintaining an ecological balance. Crucial role in maintaining an ecological balance on the earth. Van Mahotsav is an annual festival celebrated in India during the first week of July. It was initiated in 1950 by then the Minister of Agriculture Kanhaiya Lal Munshi with the aim of creating awareness about the importance of trees and forests in our ecosystem. Thank you. Plant saplings and encourage more people to do the same. And various plantation drives are also carried out. Thank you.
Extremely important for the welfare of all. Living beings, we all know that trees give us oxygen, food, medicine, etc. Trees give us innumerable benefits. Trees reduce the greenhouse effect by removing carbon dioxide from the air and releasing oxygen. Thank you. Good morning everyone. You'll be surprised to know that each year a mature tree produces enough oxygen for 10 people. Trees are also an effective sound barrier and limit noise pollution. Recent research shows that trees also help reduce and the stress of modern life. Thank you. Mahotsav Week is a reminder that we must protect forests and stop deforestation. During Mann Ki Baat on 18 June 2023, Prime Minister Modi urged the nation to employ Japanese Miyawaki technique to increase green cover around us. This unique method is used worldwide for urban afforestation by growing a forest in one's backyard. Thank you.
The festival aims to plant millions of trees during the week-long celebration. It encourages individuals, schools, communities, and government organizations to actively participate in tree planting activities to meet the annual targets. Do you know, in 2016, India set the Guinness World Record during Van Mahotsav by planting 49.3 millions of trees saplings in just 24 hours. Thank you.
Used or made by destroying the forest and avoid using them. Now I have understood how important trees are. To save trees, let's take a stand, for they are vital to an ant. Remember, trees are life's true treasure. Without them, the world would lose its pleasure. So let's unite and make a change. To save trees, their beauty arrange. I now invite my friends to recite a beautiful poem.
So green and grand, let me tell you about trees so grand. Tall and strong, they stand so high, reaching up towards the sky. Trees give a shade on sunny days and shelter for birds in many ways. They leaves dance in the gentle breeze, whispering secrets among the trees. They give us fruit so sweet and tasty, apples, oranges, juicy and tasty. They provide wood for a cozy fire, keeping us warm as smoke so higher.
Trees help to keep our air clean, absorbing carbon dioxide, a wonderful machine. They give us oxygen to breathe each day, making the world a better place to stay. So let's plant trees one by one to create a forest oh so fun. For trees are friends both big and small. They bring us joy and happiness to us all.
Invite my friend Ekaprit to recite a beautiful Hindi poem.
विषय है पेड़ लगाओ धरती बचाओ। मैं हूँ पेड़ मुझे मत काटो, टुकड़ों टुकड़ों में मुझे मत बांटो। दर्द मुझे भी होता है, मन मेरा भी रोता है। मैं मित्र हूँ तुम्हारा, सका हूँ मैं सबसे न्यारा। मेरे फल मैं खुद नहीं खाता हूँ, सब तुम्हें ही दे जाता हूँ। जहरीली गैसें पी जाता हूँ, शुद्ध हवा तुम तक पहुँचाता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Now the students of class 3D are going to showcase what they have done on this Van Mahotsav with a beautiful song.
My name is Samandeep. My birthday falls on 5th July.
My name is Nyamatpreet Kaur and my birthday falls on today.
My name is Sahan and my birthday falls on 7th July.
My name is Dakshinam. My birthday is on 7th July. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May you have many more. May you have many more. May you have many more birthdays. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Head of Junior Wing, Sarika ma'am, to share a few words.
So like I told you, I'm going to ask you questions at the end of the assembly. So out of the whole group, anyone remembers what was the thought that was spoken? Anyone remembers what was the thought? Yes, you can just stand up. Wonderful. Yes, you can stand. Stand. Wonderful. But I'm so happy at least there is someone who's listening attentively. Yes.
Be like a tree. Be grounded. Grow your roots. Make a new leaf. That's like a tree.
Great. Who was the one who spoke this word today? Can you repeat it for all of them? Please come. And now listen very carefully.
Good morning, everyone. Thought of the day. Be like a tree. Stay grounded. Connect with your roots. Turn over a new leaf. Enjoy your unique natural beauty and keep growing. Thank you.
Wonderful. Now you remember the whole thing? So even if you remember your EVS class, so what happens? When will a plant live? When it is grounded. Only if the roots are there in the soil will the plant live. So what happens that there we have to learn a lesson. Like the trees, they are grounded. Grounded means they are connected to the mother earth. If we pull them out of the earth, what happens? They die. In the same way, we human beings, we need to be grounded. We need to be humble. We need to be polite. If we are rooted, rooted means if we are humble, polite, and if we know how to respect each other, then we also grow and flourish like the tree. Turn a new leaf, that means there's every day a chance for you to become better. Every day the tree is trying to bring a new leaf on the plant. That means we are adding on to our qualities, we are adding on to ourselves, and we have a chance to turn a new leaf. Means if we've done something wrong today, then tomorrow we can still improve ourselves. And what was the last? Try to be unique. Now every tree, every species of trees and flowers and plants, they're different from each other. And so are we. We all are different. Yet we have some common points. Like we say trees. all trees are the same. But is the jamun tree the same as your banana tree? So, being uniform also, but we should have our own uniqueness. Alright, we should be creative, we should be innovative. So there's a lot to learn from that one single thought. There's one more question I want to ask. Why do we celebrate Van Mahotsav in this month only? Yes. Wonderful. Clap for her loudly. Very good. Yes. Wonderful. Very wonderful. So amazing answers, because I'll just share what they said. July is the month when the plant gets all the requirements that it needs to grow, that seed or the plant that we sow. It will get sunlight, because we know during the day it's usually sunny, and it rains also, and the temperatures are such that they are suitable for the plants to, for the seeds to germinate quickly if we have put a seed. And if you have sowed a sapling, then it grows very quickly. Yes. Yes. So that is why we celebrate it now. That is why I would urge that we should all try to plant at least, if not trees. There was one more thing. The Prime Minister said we must adopt one habit. What is that one good practice? Yes. Some Japanese technique, but what Japanese technique?
To plant Japanese seed plants.
Where to plant? Yes.
To plant trees.
No, because trees are difficult to plant.
I think it's trees upon trees.
No. So, yes. Shari?
We have to plant trees in the backyard.
Alright. So it's half correct, yes.
And we have to start planting plants.
Very good. Loud.
We have to grow forest in our backyard.
Wonderful. Yes.
In the backyard, we have to plant flowers and more trees.
Wonderful. Yes. Quickly.
We have to plant trees in the backyard and in the forest. Now we can plant trees in gardens.
Gardens. Which gardens you will go to? You will go to someone else's garden and plant?
No.
So the technique is, alright, give your answer. Yeah. So we initiated. We started because this is the most suitable month, and you can continue the whole year. But if you plant a plant now, during this month, it will actually take its roots, it will grow and flourish very quickly. You can do it in August also, but we have started now because monsoon starts from July. That's the reason. So the technique that Prime Minister Modi said is being used in which country? Japan. See, it's very difficult to plant trees, but it's very easy to have a green cover. Green cover, you can get pots depending on the size of the area that is available to you, and you can at least have green plants growing there, because green plants will also undergo which process? and that is why it will release oxygen, which is very much required for all of us, and also to get the environment cleaner and much better, because there's so many vehicles. So all that oxygen that we need is actually not. So it's difficult to actually have a forest, but it's easy to have a forest like canopy cover. So you can have 15, 20, 25 pots depending on the area that you have at the back or in the balcony of your house, and grow these pots to have a green cover. Is that alright? So I'm very happy that you all listened to the whole assembly very attentively. That's really good, and I think you all are also turning a new leaf. We were not so good mannered like when we used to attend assemblies last year, but we've turned a new leaf. That's a phrase. To turn a new leaf means we'll become better. So you all have turned a new leaf, and so happy, and hope that you all. So I will also try to grow as many plants. Already I think I have more than 250 pots in my house. So yes, that is I think the count, because till the top it's there, but still I will try to add on, and the same I would convey that each one of you, even if you can grow 2 pots like we saw in the pictures, we must try to do that. So thank you children, and thank you class 3D and Sapna ma'am for actually the amazing assembly that you all have presented. Thank you so much. Yeah. She is going to speak about a competition that she has participated, and maybe then we'll click a picture with principal ma'am when ma'am is there.
Lawn tennis matches academy. So I achieved 3rd position in both the matches. I won from the children who were in 7th and 8th grade, and I lost from few children, and I came 3rd in both of the matches.
So in the past also we've seen Riddhi has been doing very well. Firstly, Riddhima. So firstly, lawn tennis is not an easy game, and it's very difficult. And then to have a match with your seniors. So we wish her all the best, and maybe by the time you are in 7th class, you will be getting a gold medal. So wishing you and congratulating you. And this should motivate others also, that whenever you are participating outside somewhere, you must bring all those details and share it with your class teacher, so that we can talk about it in the assembly. We can have your picture, and that will go in the newsletter. Alright children? Great. Thank you.
Johabi on stage to lead the command for the national anthem.
School strategy.
So let us stand and everybody stand up.
School strategy.
You will not do that. You will just stand like this.
School strategy.
School standards.